Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. If you see the monsoon activity during past 24 hours, the monsoon was weak over entire northeast India, West Bengal and Sikkim, Bihar, South interior Karnataka and Kerala during past 24 hours. And monsoon was vigorous over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Saurashtra and Kutch and Marathwada. And in the remaining part of the country, the southwest monsoon was normal to active. In the left hand side, this is the observed rainfall distribution is given. Yesterday, the widespread rainfall was reported over the Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chhattisgarh, Marathwada, Konkan and Goa and coastal Karnataka. And in the remaining part of the country, the isolated to fairly widespread rainfall was observed. If yesterday, the very heavy rainfall was reported Gujarat state, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, East Rajasthan, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over West Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Marathwada, and Telangana. And Jamnagar in the Saurashtra and Kutch reported the 19 centimeter rainfall. In Gujarat region, Valsad reported 13 centimeter rainfall. In Himachal Pradesh, Bilaspur reported 18 centimeter rainfall. Kurukshetra in Haryana reported 15 centimeter rainfall. Ludhiana in Punjab reported 13 centimeter rainfall. Fatehpur reported 14 centimeter rainfall in East Uttar Pradesh. Saharanpur reported 10 centimeter rainfall in West Uttar Pradesh. Mayavandar in the Andaman and Nicobar Island reported 12 centimeter rainfall. Similarly, some other stations are also given where the rainfall of more than 7 centimeter was observed. This is the 24-hour cumulative rainfall station-wise data over the Indian map. So, very heavy rainfall is given in the orange color dot, which was reported over the Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan, Gujarat state, and the heavy rainfall is station is given in the yellow color. If you see the today's main synoptic feature, then today a low pressure area has formed over the east central Bay of Bengal, and a cyclonic circulation lies over the northeast Madhya Pradesh and adjoining south Uttar Pradesh. Another cyclonic circulation lies over the Saurashtra and Kutch, and in the monsoon trough is basically passing through the southwest Rajasthan, then the across the north Madhya Pradesh, then the Jharkhand, and it goes up to the east central Bay of Bengal. In the right hand side, this is the satellite picture of cloud convection. So very clearly visible that today we have a moderate to intense convection over the central Uttar Pradesh and intense convection over the north east and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal, and moderate to intense convection over some parts of the Saurashtra and Kutch, and light to moderate convection over the Maharashtra, over the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh and adjoining Madhya Pradesh area. If we see the weather forecast and weather warning, since there is a cyclonic circulation over the Saurashtra and Kutch, and because of this, there will be the fairly widespread rainfall with isolated heavy falls, very likely to continue over the Gujarat state, adjoining East Rajasthan and Konkan and Goa for the next 5 days. And there also will be the very heavy rainfall over the Saurashtra and Kutch on 24th, 26th, 27th of September, and very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Gujarat region during the 25th to 27th of September. And since there is a low pressure area over the east central Bay of Bengal, and this low pressure area is very likely to become more marked during next 12 hours, and it is also very likely to move west north westwards towards the Odisha coast during next 48 hours. Because of that, there will be the light to moderate fairly wide to widespread rainfall activity over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana from 25th of September night onwards, and there will be the isolated heavy rainfall over the Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region from 26th, 27th and 28th of September. After that, there will be the slight reduction in rainfall. Along with this, there is also chances of very heavy rainfall over the Odisha on 26th and 27th of September over the coastal Andhra Pradesh, particularly over the northern parts of the coastal Andhra Pradesh on 26th of September. And there will be the enhanced rainfall activity over the entire Maharashtra state from the 27th of September onwards. And in the south, as far as the South Peninsular India is concerned, there will not be any significant rainfall over the entire South Peninsular India for the next 3 days. And but however, there will be the enhanced rainfall activity, particularly over the Kerala and Lakshadweep area from 26th of September onwards. And we will also receive the heavy rainfall at one or two places over the Kerala and Lakshadweep during 26th to 28th of September. There will not be any significant rainfall over the entire northeast India for the upcoming 4 to 5 days. And as far as the northwest India is concerned, there will be the isolated thunderstorm activity and isolated heavy rainfall will continue over the Uttar Pradesh for the next 2 days. And over the Uttarakhand, there will be the isolated heavy rainfall on 27th and 28th of September. Except this, there will not be any significant rainfall over the entire northwest India for the upcoming 4 to 5 days. You can download Mausam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app for the location specific forecast for the lightning alert and agro advisory services. Thank you.